Greetings, coders. In this video, we are going to look at two different examples of a pointer pointing to an array. In this first example, we have an array of 8 spaces, and we've set it equal to hey. On the next line, we have set char star C pointer equal to dest. So what this does behind the scenes is the destination dest is 10. So it's at the 10, but because it's an array, it acts similar to a pointer and it has this address value in pointing to its 0th location when you use just dest. So with when we set the C pointer equal to it, it sets it equal to 10 as well. And then when we reach this print statement, this P prints out the value set as an address. So in this case, because this acts like a pointer, it prints out the full address of 10, and it also prints out the C pointer's held address of 10. Notice it's not printing out 18, it's printing out 10. We get to the next one and we print out the address of C pointer again, and we use %C. %C prints out a character, so it's only going to print out one character. And we give it the address that where C pointer is pointing at. So that is going to be the value of H, because C pointer is pointing right here to H. So if we increment C pointer by 1, do C pointer plus equals 1, this doesn't change the value it's pointing at. There's no star here. So what it's going to do is it's going to change the address that C pointer contains. And so the address is going to increase by 1, as we can see here. And so now C pointer, if we get the character, is pointing at E. So we see that the value of C pointer's address is 11, and the value that's printed out by what it's pointing at using %C for character is E. We increment C pointer again, and now its value is 12, and so it's pointing at 12. And when we print the character, we get the Y. Last, if we print dest, we can still see that dest starts at the beginning, and %S prints an entire string. So it's going to take all the values, and Y is the address here that it's pointing to, so it only prints out Y for the string for C pointer. In example 2, we are going to look at using the square brackets notation with a pointer. So in this example, instead of incrementing the pointer each time, we're going to use the square brackets. And everything up to this point is the same. C pointer equals the same address as last time. So we have %P equals %P. These are both still the same address. But when we get here, C pointer is the address of 10, and C pointer 0 is giving it the address of 10, and that prints out the character there. Now, for the next one, we haven't incremented, so C pointer is still at the same address, and C pointer 1 is saying the square bracket notation is similar to doing pointer notation, except the bracket notation is adding the 1 for us. So it's taking the value of C pointer, it's adding 1 to it, and then it's dereferencing it using the star. This is all happening behind the scenes. And so C pointer 1 is going to give us E. C pointer 2 is going to give us Y. C pointer's not changing. And now we can see that they both are printing. They still have their full values there because we didn't increment or increase or change the address of C pointer. That's it for this video.